Hi guys, let's try to understand this topic DAX Information Functions in the Power BI. So before starting this topic, I have a question for you. Have you ever noticed that the Power BI calculation suddenly return unexpected result or error? Because many developers just forget to validate their data before running DAX calculation. So in this real business report, blank value, tax value, or unexpected error can slightly break your logic and produce error insights. So in this video, I will learn how to use text information functions like is blank, is error, is logic, is number, is non-text, or is text to safely validate your data and build your more reliable Power BI reports correctly. So come on the screen, let's try to understand how many functions, information functions are in the Power BI. So there is a first is blank. Is blank, just check there is a value, is a blank or not. If yes, then true or false, right? And is error, just check where is the value, is an error or not. Is logic, check their value, is a logical value or not. And then is number, just check where the value is a number or not. Is non-text, basically check where the value is non-text. Basically blank cell are not a text, right? Is text, basically check there's a value is text or not. Basically the value is correct, they give the true result. If the value is not correct, then give the false result. The syntax are there, is a simple one. So let's do one thing, let's jump on the Power BI and do that practically. So I'll just open the Power BI and do that. I'm just opening it. Yeah, I just open Power BI, come in a screen, just add some uh, column here, and let's little zoom out so that you can easily understand. I'll give the number, like I want is number. I will check. Let's give it any name you can give. Is number, let's take the is number first. Is number, let's say the uh, from the calendar table I'll take the week. Let's take the week ID and check it. Is there number in the week ID or not? If the correct, they'll give you yes. If not, then give you no number. So is number would be all correct. So that's when in our week reports, there all data are in the week ID. The all data are number. Where is the week number? This one. See, this is all a number. Let's take another example. That time I'll take the different column. Let's read a date ID. Check where is the date ID. Yeah, this is a date ID. So all date ID would be number. So that would be all true, right? Let's take the another example. Let's take this time the text value here, so that let's check is a false would come or not. So week description, let's take it, enter. This is a false. Why it's false? Because in the description there is a text, right? So let's do one thing. Is a number is a false, so text would be the true, right? So take the is text, enter. So there would be all true in this. So they're very small functions, but very important while working in the Power BI DAX. So we can just calculate and check, okay, is there any number which are the number or text or something and you're using in a different formula, so that would be some problem. So that is the some important and very small function in the Power BI. So let's do one thing, let's take some critical example of it and do some practical through a assignment. So see you in the next video with the assignment. So stay tuned.